You're good. Know where you are.
Good. Hey, drag him in now.
Great.
Drag him in so you can go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, keep that going. Keep
Know
that
where you
going.
are. You're pretty close.
Keep going.
Close.
Good.
Now 3, we have a semifinal at 157 pounds. Oakley Maddox from the lad and Brock Johnson in first.
You know what you want?
157 semifinal.
Check out. Go back. Circle. You're good. You're good.
Hey, we're okay.
You're good. Up.
Hey,
Circle.
we're okay.
You're good.
You're good. Reach out, reach out.
Don't let him out. You know what he wants now.
Good. You got pressure forward when you go. Hey, 50. 50.
Go, Mac. Come on, let's get this point. Up. Check out. You're good. You're good.
Hey, you side up, we're okay.
You're good.
Keep right in. Keep right in, go.
You know you
Hurry.
Come on, Mac.
Yeah, I believe we decided on that one that there was a head-on collision there, and we have a concussion protocol that we're going to have to follow, so that match will be a default match.
Hey, 10 seconds back. Go.
All right, on that one, right now we have semi-final 165. This is the battle of West Jefferson and Gunnar Johnson and Mark Valley. Porter Lyle, Barry.
You know what? Mac, you know what you want. Come on, Mac. First minute. Hey, get that arm down. You know what you want.
Hit him up.
Don't let him have it.
Your winner on map 3 from the lab. That was Oakley Maddox, 157 semifinal.
Good, all the way through. Good. Okay, go down.
Got your arms now. Come on, Mac. Go.
Good. Back pressure.
You're good.
Okay. Press on up. Good. Back into it. Press on up. Good. Go. Hey. Out of one, man. Okay. Right here. Stay top.
That's one. That's right. Hey, you're opening him up. Circle.
Come on, Mike. Work on.
Know where you are.
Gotta work. Have to work on. Circle in.
West Jefferson is Max Hall. He is a two-time state qualifier and a one-time state placer.
Let's go, Max!
And he's the third ranked wrestler in 3A. So we got two great wrestlers here in front of us again tonight at this weight class.
Come on, Mac.
Should be a good battle.
Go, Mac.
Duck under. Homer tried to do a pass by that elbow, but nothing either.
Go, Mac. Come on now.
Oh, nice.
Good shot.
There you
go. Finish, Mac.
He's in deep, but can he finish it? He's got to swim out of there somehow. Homer puts more pressure on.
Keep those hips on the mat.
Got a good body lock around.
Hip up, hip up, hip up.
Hips away by Homer.
Face. Good. Turn that corner.
Ball still in on that. Homer gets to the takedown. Gets up pretty high.
Come on, Mac.
And power something over here. Tripod up, hold tripod up, ready to get him off. Hold tight on those legs.
30 seconds.
Come on, Mac.
30 seconds. Power half on that left side.
Come on, Mac. Don't let anything up.
Hey, swim.
Try to keep this in balance.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Harlow down, keeping his switch, nothing though. Homer covers. Goes right back up on top. It's so steep.
Face. We're okay. Put hands, face.
Homer drops the single. No change. Good average here, no change.
Hey, back up, let's go.
1:30 to go for the round.
Come on, Mac. Let's go, Mac. Go, Mac. Go. First move, Mac. Get out.
Oh,
Yeah! Let's go!
Paul gets an escape.
Hey, need it.
Breaks away. Now we're neutral again. Oh, no, that's a crouch.
Hey,
Let me
face
get
your
to the
leg.
leg. Wizard seatbelt.
You're good.
Let's see who can scramble the best. Break. Come back.
Hey, we got 30
Neutral.
mark.
That headlock in, Homer does. Drag that around. Our pressure. Ooh, slow down.
They were out of bounds.
3-1 lead for Homer.
Let's go, Mac. Come on now.
Oh, nice back slide. Head to the mat. Switches to a single.
Hey, that's.
What do you want up here? Not a lot of excitement on that start, for sure. just trying to dig it out. And the precarious position for both. Who's going to score here? This is a scramble situation for sure. We're going to go back Stelling.
Come on, Matt, let's
Going
go.
back to the mat. Homer's going to be sitting out, and his double looks in there. Now he gets to his feet.
Come on, return it.
Good. Position to go away. There's the one-point escape for Homer. 7-1 with 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. We're now in it, boys. We're looking for a little inside control. A hard double shot by Hall. That almost hits, or too strong, breaks out of that. Now you got that front headlock again, come around. Trying to pick that near side.
Keep working, Matt.
Ends up scoring a 3-point takedown. 10-1 lead with 30 seconds to go in the round. End of the match.
Come on, Matt.
20.